Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Martin Alexander Gershon. I am one of the fortunate people to be here today at the offices of Goodwin at the New York Times building, where Endeavor Venture Group and Mount Sinai Health Systems are hosting an event which focuses in on AI technology and the integration and implementation of this across the healthcare system. We're bringing a number of different organizations and companies together who are representing an incredible opportunity to collaborate, to bring together scientists, doctors, entrepreneurs, investors, companies from large technology like Google, companies that are important in the interoperability of all of this technology like InterSystems, outstanding emerging companies like In Silico Medicine. We're here today really to bring together the beginning of a consortium that recognizes that digital health is a critically important part of reshaping our healthcare system. And I am super excited to be here today with Bill Fitzgerald, who heads up the biotechnology program at Google Cloud. He came in today from Boston, and I want to welcome you, Bill, because it's really absolutely a treat to be here with you today. I would love to start by asking you some of your thoughts about what you hope to get out of this event. What does it mean for you and Google, now that Google for the past several years has been a major investor in healthcare? Where do you see this summit playing a role in your vision?
Yeah, thank you, first of all, Dr. Gershon, for inviting us today. We're super excited to be here. For us at Google, the company has been founded in the early presence is to organize the world's data and to make it useful. From a healthcare perspective, we believe there's a fantastic opportunity to organize the world's data, make it useful, and help to participate in the saving and the longevity of billions of people. So that is a founding principle of our healthcare practice, and as such, this is a fantastic event where we have an opportunity to bring in and correlate the information providers of patient care, of the investment community, of the technology community, and to see what tools and capabilities they require to get closer to the patients, finding a cure, and moving science and health and wellness forward.
Absolutely fantastic. You know, one of the things that is important is brand and message. I mean, Google stands out, of course, as one of the best companies that's ever been built, with an incredible brand and incredible ethos. Many people who are not necessarily involved as we are so closely with startups don't recognize that Google is an incredible voice in everyone's medical life. The investments that the company has made and the integration of their technology between the cloud, the patient, and a healthcare provider is critically important. Now, I would love to talk with you a little bit about how all that dials down into biotechnology, because that's really your focus.
Yes.
We do have a couple of companies here tonight which do use AI in drug discovery and drug development. Obviously, cloud is critically important in that. Love to hear your thoughts about where you are right now with the number of companies that you are supporting and where you see the future.
Yeah. So Google as a company and Alphabet as a whole, as an entity, makes about a $5 billion bet annually on healthcare. And that is to service the industry kind of across the board, because there's patient care in some of our Fitbit consumer products that it has potential there, and then there's the segment that I'm responsible for, which is the biotechnology. We've seen a real advent of AI-based drug discovery, where people are utilizing open source models to help solve problems and replicate the human body in ways that were previously kind of unrelated. We've seen real key votes of confidence in that, with fantastic Nobel Peace Prizes around the work that was done around AlphaFold and some of those other in silico models that we've utilized. And our goal at Google Cloud is to provide to our customer base and to provide to our partners a fantastic partner on the build versus buy continuum. So if I'm a company that is looking to partner with the healthcare system, do I need to build a software stack that converts the EHR data into meaningful real-world evidence that ultimately can pursue the opportunity to advance clinical trials? Or can Google provide tooling and capabilities to do that? If I move into a geographically dispersed location, Do I need to convert that language into those different areas of the world? Or can Google help with that? And then, in turn, what we want our partners to do and what our customers to do is to really just focus on the science and advancing the care of the patients and work at what they're good at so we can continue to organize that information and give those toolings to our customer base.
You know, for me, it's a perfect message. It's about bringing people together with incredible, diverse skill sets. Aligning vision coupled with liquidity and skill sets is a recipe for growth. At Endeavor, we are excited because the vision that we have is very much aligned with Mount Sinai. The skills that MD PhDs, the clinical trial program, the accelerator program, all of these efforts are very much aligned with some of the things that you and I are talking about now, Bill, and some of the things that you're going to hear within the panel discussions and the presentations. We have approximately 21 companies presenting this evening. It is an opportunity to hear about mature unicorns as well as emerging companies. It's an opportunity to meet people like Bill and others who have an important voice, not just in the build out of businesses, but in the personal quality of how Google and Alphabet's focus impacts your health and the healthcare system around us. So first, I really want to thank you again, Bill, for traveling in from Boston.
Of course.
I'm excited about the opportunity to work with you and your companies. One of your terrific companies, Rhino Health, is going to be here tonight. I can't wait to speak with them. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. I hope everyone has a great time viewing this event on the stream that's coming to you. If you don't, we're going to be recording it and it will be made available to everyone. See you soon.